Alright guys, the crafting work is complete. I am using a belt and pulley system in this project, but this standard pulley was too wide for my design, so I created a custom pulley instead. Now to bring these parts to life, we could use a 3D printer, but if you don't have one, you can use JLC 3DP. JLC 3DP is one-stop solution for high-quality 3D printing and manufacturing services, offering a wide range of materials including resin, nylon, metal, and more, with prices starting from just $0.3. Whether you are building robotics, RC vehicles, prototypes, custom enclosures, or any other maker project, JLC 3DP can manufacture your parts with excellent accuracy and surface finish. Ordering is very simple. Just upload your 3D model, choose the material and finish you want, and place your order in minutes. A few days later, my parts arrived and the quality was excellent. The dimensions were accurate, the finish looked great, and the parts were ready to use right out of the box. So if you are working on your hardware, robotics or DIY project, be sure to check out JLC 3DP using the link in the description. Alright guys, these are all the parts we will need, so let's start the assembly. Initially, I planned to use this motor, but I couldn't modify its shaft to fit the project requirements, so I picked up these motors from Robo.in. A lot of you ask where I buy my components, and Robo is one of my go-to stores for electronics, mechanical parts, and DIY hardware in India. Also, Robo and Arduino are hosting the Arduino Physical AI Challenge India 2026, where you can build an innovative project using an Arduino keyboard and win prizes worth up to Rs 2.5 lakhs. You will find all the links in the description. Now, let's get back to the assembly process. Before we continue, a big shout out to LTM for sponsoring today's video. LTM is known for supporting some of the world's most advanced electronics design workflows, helping engineers collaborate better, manage designs efficiently, and build with confidence. And if you are a student or just getting started, LTM has something truly valuable for you, LTM Student Lab. It gives you free access to industry level learning and a structured PCB program that takes you from basics to the real world design, including layout, manufacturing awareness, and supply chain fundamentals. You will work on practical projects, grow your portfolio, and even earn a certificate that helps you open doors for your future career. So, if you are serious about the electronics, check the link in the description and join the LTM Student Lab today. Now, let's get back to the build.